Well, this is the end product of the roof, or the patio deck. I think that roof is gonna come back and throw the roof on, and I think they may also be adding gutters. But this is the final product. Got the braces everywhere, and the little 2x4s in between so they don't sag in. They stay straight. Yeah, it's the final product. I think they probably gonna close that in. Yeah. Say good morning, Peanut. Headed off to school. Come on.
They at school?
Yeah. Yo, what's going on? The World of Jones is back again with another one. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, you know, if you're interested in this content. But I know it's been a little minute on the round. Currently headed to my second oil change already. It's not even been a year. I don't know if y'all can see the miles. It's 13,389 currently. So I was like, why not just go ahead and do a little, it ain't quite 15,000 miles, but a little 15,000 mile update, or in between 10 and 15. So far it's been great truck, man. Been driving everywhere. Loaded up stuff on the bed already. Pulls with no problem. I was getting ready to pull my homeboy's trailer yesterday, but I didn't have time to take it all the way out to the landfill and then come back. I had some other stuff to do. But I'm pretty sure whenever I do that, I'll let y'all know how it tows or whatever. Yeah, I mean, ever since, I know in the first 10,000 miles, I was having my transmission slipped like 4 times. Or it didn't slip, it would not shift out of, I think it was like second gear. It was either first or second. It hasn't happened again ever since then. So yeah, getting ready to go up there to do the oil change. I'm gonna show them something on my fender. I didn't notice it until like maybe 2 months after I had the truck. That one of the fenders, it's like a little panel on the front of my truck. It looks like it's black, but it's not. Like when the sun hit, it's not the same color. So I'm gonna go through the process with that. I'll let y'all know how it is, because I have a bumper to bumper warranty, and also I have a paint and tire warranty. So I'll let y'all know, like, if I gotta pay something, or it should be free because I pay it in my note. But I'll let y'all know the process with that. They just told me that when I get here to let the service person know what's going on. And also, like the second week of me getting my truck, I scuffed my rim up, or hit the curb, or something was in the street and it hit it, but it scraped like my rims. So I think I have to set up an appointment, because they don't do that there. I think they send me somewhere, and then wherever that, like a paint and body shop, and then that's who takes care of that. I thought it was actually Dodge that does that. Yeah, it's been good. No complaints so far. Still love the truck. Still going. Yeah, I'm trying to think if I missed out on anything. Yeah, I think that's it. But yeah, I was just giving y'all a you know, a little quick update on how it's been going, and actually get ready to pull up to the place in about 3 minutes. But let y'all know how it goes. Alright, so this is the update so far. Got a light, well, one of the light fixtures in. We had to pull the battery out and get the floors in. Carpet is going in here. Got the floor all the way where I am. Carpet going in there. Bathroom is basically done. Just gotta put a shower wall and grout that. And put the toilet in here. And then quarter round, and the baseboard is going right there. Quarter round to be all throughout. Board carpet. Yeah, it's kitchen, and granite guy about to throw that granite on top. Right there. Wasn't that lifting that granite? Granite, man.
Here? No, let's go by the window. All right. No, go ahead.
Batman set. Do it outdoors. What's that? You got?
Spider-Man book.
Oh, wow. I'm gonna read it tonight.
Yes.
Got a shirt. Yeah. A long sleeve shirt when it's cold.
T-shirt and
Another one.
long pants.
No, it's another shirt. Don't rip that, buddy. It's
You
another
look
one.
silly.
What?
You look like silly.
No, it doesn't. You look handsome, like daddy.
I look like a video game. This is like a like pew, 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 pew.
Okay, buddy.
There it goes.
Oh, wow. Yeah, man. You like it?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm gonna make
These
some.
are a lot of Legos. You can make whatever you want to.
Yeah, whatever you want to, buddy.
This is the best Christmas ever.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
This is cooler Christmas ever. It's better than Halloween because Halloween is scary.
Okay, buddy. Like it?
Yes.
What kind of pajamas are they?
Toy Story pajamas.
Toy Story pajamas. Yeah.
Son
From?
from Daddy.
Yeah. Let's see what it is. What's that, buddy? What's that? What is it?
The Hot Wheels.
Oh, man.
We got new Hot Wheels.
Yeah.
Right? There's that. Do this, right? And do this.
All right, so we are about to get ready to throw these carpets in. That boy Mel Gotti. Mel Gotti throwing in the tack strip. When you're throwing in the tack strips, usually they're labeled, but you want the point to go. Hold on, let me see. You want it to point towards the wall. But usually it's like an arrow. So it's an arrow right there. I'll show you where to put it. And it need to be a quarter away from your wall, yeah, Skippy. Come on, focus. Focus, baby. There we go. All right. Then after you do that, you're gonna put your pad in there. And after you do your pad, you throw your carpet in there. We're gonna show you how to do that. Me and Timmy. Well, got all the tack strips laid. Uh-oh, that one's wrong. Gotta take that one up. Make sure when you're doing it, the easy way to remember, I know you got the arrow, but the red, make sure this thicker red is closer to you. I gotta take that one up and flip it. That was that rookie mistake, ain't it? Yeah. But yeah, when you're doing it, make sure you put on some gloves, because them tack strips, I don't know if you can see, those tack strips, yeah, make sure you wear gloves, because one of them tack strips got me. So, yeah, but yeah, pretty much got it all done right here in the first bedroom. Mel Gotti knocking out the second one. And we're gonna run this pad down and gonna let it rip. All right, we got the pad down. Some of it got the tack strip down. We're getting ready to run the carpet there, ladies and gentlemen. When you have seams like this, you need to put like seam tape. But also, when you're laying the pad down, it's two sides. Let's see if you can get that. It's two sides of it. So you see how this looks like that? You actually want to lay this side down that has the net on it. I don't know if y'all can see that, see the difference. It's like a little net. That side should be on top. And that's to prevent the, well, I think it's supposed to make the carpet slide on there easy. And then I guess probably when it gets laid and stretched, it'll slide a little bit more. And this is rubbing against it, but it'll slide with that net. So yeah. Well, we got carpet. We got carpet. We just gotta come back and we didn't have any transition strips. We put a transition strip right there. And got this room. Got this room right here. And in this one, we just gotta add a strip in the bed closet, huh, there, Mill? Got this one. Got add another transition strip will go right here once each floor gets in, and then I finish this one. But we gotta add a little small strip right there, and that'll be it.